What's good, YouTube, man? We back with another video, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it, let's go. We got the I was about to say the 570, bro. Oh my. We got the SRT Jeep ski right here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what it is, you know what I'm saying? But as in the title and the thumbnail today, we gonna be naming all the things maintenance-wise that you need to keep up with this SRT Jeep to, you know, have it, maintain it, and do your thing with it. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck, boy? But without further ado, if you don't know my name is Jay Elite. I do car reviews, I do car content, I do car vlogs. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start so y'all can like hear this boy. No cap. Here we go. SRT. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Let's go. All right, y'all boys, I'm gonna pop the hood just because it look aesthetically pleasing during this whole video. So I'm gonna just pop the hood for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Pop the hood for y'all. Yes, sirski. I do have an intake now, finally. 500 horsepower. No cap. Look at that. See right through it. Ooh. All right, you guys. First thing I want to talk about for this SRT Jeep here is the gas. So, as you guys know, this is a Jeep. This is not a Charger. This is not a... I'm talking about straight Jeeps today. Jeeps have the biggest tank... Well, Durangos. Jeeps and Durangos have the biggest gas tanks. Damn, what the fuck wrong with my... Jeeps and Durangos have the biggest gas tanks. The tank is big as hell. The gas is terrible. I'm not gonna lie. Inside the cabin here, you know what I'm saying? Every time you get in here, just know you have to look at the gas meter and be like, dang, I don't have gas. The gas is terrible. The gas is about to fill it up. I'm gonna make a video how much do it cost to fill up my SRT Jeep. But in the meantime, gas costs around $100 to fill this boy up. If you put $10 premium in your tank, it will not do nothing. Trust me. Bro, look at this shit, bro. But yes. The gas, look at that pretty engine. Oh my gosh. The gas is terrible. That's one thing about, it's not really maintenance, but at the same time it is maintenance because you need to have gas in your car. And for Jeeps, the gas tank is so fucking large because it's an SUV and it's a heavy SUV, so it uses more gas, and it has a 6.4. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get the point, you know what I'm saying? The shit big as hell and it's drink a lot of gas. Let's get into the next thing. Ain't this a pretty view from on top of the car? Why the fuck is you up here, bro? Get your ass down. This is a pretty view. Get your ass down, bro. Bro, is it snowing right now? I think it's snowing. But anyway, the next thing is oil. Oil change. So, obviously you guys know SRT Jeep doesn't take regular oil. You can't take it to your local place and like, can you put oil? No, you can't do that. I had to go to the dealership to get an SRT oil filter. I changed my oil myself because it's so expensive to change oil on any type of Scat Pack, Hellcat, any Mopar type of, you know, fast car. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? As this fucking snow rains on my head. Oil, you should probably do it yourself if you want to save the money. My oil change was only $70, so I did it all myself. That's including factory oil filter, not factory oil, but like I went to local store, got me some oil, and yeah, it worked out. Matter of fact, go watch my video of me changing my oil. You know what I'm saying? Duh. But yes, oil is something you guys want to take into consideration if you want an SRT Jeep. These are all things you should take into consideration. You should do most of your things yourself because everything when it comes to maintenance with these type of cars, it's very expensive if you take it to anybody. And most of the maintenance things are easy. So let's get into the next thing though. Alrighty, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. These are really dirty. You know what I'm saying? Haven't got a car wash in a minute. But the next thing brakes and rotors. You gotta change your brakes and rotors, my guy. You got to. So, brakes and rotors. I haven't had to change my rotors yet. I haven't had to change my brakes yet. Luckily, not yet. But I did, as you can see, painted my Brembos gold and put my name, Jay Elite, on them. Front and back on all sides. Let me show you the other side. Hold on. Hold on, we almost there. All right. You know what I'm saying? All the way around. Show you the back real quick. All the way around. Yes, sir. On SRT Jeeps, the brakes are very easy to replace. You just have to knock out pins and unbolt things, take them out, put them back in. It's pretty simple. So the maintenance on that, I don't want to see anyone take their brakes to no dealership, no third-party person. Do them yourself, bro. You have an SRT Jeep, bro. Do it your fucking self. Damn. No, for real though, if you want to save money, do it yourself. It's really easy. Rotors, you should probably do those yourself too. You just gotta take your Brembos off, pop the rotor off, pop a new one on, and you're good. You know what I'm saying? So these are all things you should do yourself. Now the wear and tear, my bad, I had to get in the car. It's cold outside. Whew. But the wear and tear on the rotors and the brakes, they don't. If you have, I haven't had to change mine yet, luckily, but they have been maintaining pretty well. The only thing I had to do so far was change my oil, change my thermostat, and change. I haven't had to change much. Everything usually is good when you come to maintenance. So you just have to stay up on your stuff. You know what I'm saying? You gotta stay up on your SRT or your whatever fuck you got, Scat Pack. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. Now, y'all, with that said, I want to go into some honorable mentions. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, we got to do some honorable mentions. Filters, like I was talking about my intake. I just put this intake in, so mine is fairly clean right now. You can see it more on the inside here. You need to replace your filter ever so often so it doesn't clog up and clog your system. You know, filters are pretty cheap, so replace your filter when it gets dirty. Another simple thing you should probably do, which I personally don't do, you know what I'm saying? But you need to keep your car clean, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's hard for me because I live in Michigan. It's winter. The shit salt be everywhere. The shit be ash. Look at that shit. It's doo-doo right there. I don't know what the fuck that is. What the fuck is that? But anyway, y'all, you know what I'm saying? You need to try to keep your car clean, bro. My shit dirty as hell. I cannot be talking, but you know what I'm saying? Keep your car clean. My SRT said you can't even see that bit. Look at it. I'm about to touch y'all. But yeah, y'all, look at this fucking, damn, it bit hard, but yeah, bro, y'all just gotta do what y'all do, for real, for real. Why is this nigga coming this way? What? All right, bro. Like, all right. Bro, he just came over here talking about, I thought you were having troubles with your car. Nigga, you see me with the fucking camera. Nigga, what the fuck is you talking about? My fault, yo. I get a little hostile, bro. And ever since my fucking last video, I got fucking pulled over, bro. Anyway, y'all, bro, shut this shit, bro. Shut this shit. That shit just pissed me off. Y'all just reminded me of that shit, bro. Fuck this shit, bro. I'm about to end the video, man. Like, subscribe, and do y'all thing, bro. Just remember what I said, bro. Remember what I said. Keep your car clean. That's the biggest thing you could do. It's not. You gotta oil change, brakes, but keep your car clean, bro. Dang, bro. But on a real note, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. That's the end of the video, man. I hope y'all took some from this video. Maintenance on your SRT Jeep. It's really regular maintenance. It's just everything more expensive, everything a little bit more weird because it's a performance vehicle. But without further ado, subscribe to the channel. Like, I keep fucking doing it. What the fuck? Like the video, you know what I'm saying? Like the video for the algorithm. And until the next video, man, we out. I'm trying to get another mod ready for y'all. I'm about to get a police radar because, oh my fucking god, bro, y'all know how it be. But without further ado, let's get it. I hope y'all having a good day today, and we out. I love y'all boys. Let's get it. Let's go.